Hi, I'm Charles with ExpressExtension.com, and I would like to take a few minutes to explain some of the most common questions regarding IRS tax extensions. A tax extension extends the amount of time to prepare and file your tax return with the IRS. This does not extend the amount of time to pay your taxes. The easiest way to file this is through the IRS Authorized eFile provider, ExpressExtension.com. Thanks to this amazing service, your tax extension can be e-filed in just a few minutes. Your deadline to file a tax extension depends on the type of form you need to file. The deadline for most corporate tax returns is March 17th. The deadline for personal tax returns is April 15th, and for nonprofit or other exempt organizations, the traditional filing deadline is May 15th. Anyone can file a tax extension with the IRS. A personal extension can be filed with IRS Form 4868 for individuals, 1099 contractors, sole proprietors, and single member LLCs to get a 6-month extension of time to file. A business extension can be filed with IRS Form 7004 for multi-member LLCs, C corporations, S corporations, partnerships, trusts, and estates, to name a few. And nonprofit tax extensions can be filed with IRS Form 8868 for nonprofit and exempt organizations. One of the biggest differences between e-filing and paper filing is IRS acknowledgement. When a tax extension is e-filed through ExpressExtension.com, you will receive an acknowledgement of the IRS acceptance or rejection of your extension. If your request is denied, you will be notified of the reason it was rejected. This gives you an opportunity to correct the errors and resubmit for no additional costs through ExpressExtension.com. Typically, it takes just a few minutes for this process. When you file by paper, you are at the mercy of the post office, and once it's received by the IRS, there is nothing to let you know if it's been accepted or even received by the IRS. To e-file your tax extension now, go to ExpressExtension.com and get started. If you have any questions, you can contact us at 803-514-5155 or email us at support@expressextension.com.